morning, everyone. It's 10:01 in the morning here in Indiana. It's 3/21/2025. Boy, this month's going quickly. I'm glad. Um, what I wanted to say is first, good morning, welcome. Thank all those that have subscribed to my channel. The video is going up. It's gonna be a different video. You'll see after this. I didn't film everything, and what I did film, I didn't keep. I just made shorts out of it. So, if there's anything that you would like to see, just go check out my latest videos. The video's gonna go to the point where it's not gonna be an actual video. Hopefully, I can do a voiceover because it's gonna be pictures and explain step by step what I did, how I did it, why I did it. So be it. But yeah, it was just a mess. Well, the original one, not the one now. But I just seen fault in it yesterday. I will tell you in the video. So check it out. I started with cutting strips by 3 by 9.5 using copy paper and then adding fabric to it. Here I'm showing you a few of them put together. Look how nice they look. Here they're all put together and look how like blobby it looks. It needed something more. So I started using different fabrics added to it, and I ended up disliking it and taking them off. What I decided was to add black strips to it and make it stand out each piece. Sorry I didn't have a picture of the finished product, but this is where I decided to chop it all up and didn't know which way I was going to go with it. Here I cut all the blocks 5 by 5, and this is what I decided to do, but in the end it just wasn't enough. I needed more. Now I'm satisfied. I like this idea. I put together the blocks for 4 blocks together and then a solid, and my grandson picked the color. Now I'm happy. I decided to go with a zigzag pattern for the border, but I didn't know which color I should use, the orange stripe or green stripe, so I decided to mix it, and it came out beautiful. Oh, hello people. This is the finished product. It ended up larger than what I intended. This thing went through so many different stages. I can't believe it took me, how long? About 2 months